Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to see photos of certain places by selecting the photos option on the Google Earth application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now click on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now, as you can see in this first section, the last option is photos, and there's a button next to it. So tap on it if you would like to turn on this function. Now, as you can see, the pictures of related to several places, locations have appeared on the map. So if you are interested in seeing any of these, just tap on the relevant location that you are interested in, and now the pictures will appear to you. If you click on it, you will be able to see the pictures related to that specific place. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.